get free service on your goddamn phone, and you think you little shitty ass could stay online all day. Let me tell you something, flip phone head bitch. You in Atlanta, I'm in Atlanta, my friend in Atlanta. Pull up. Bang with my friend. My friend will beat anybody's ass on here. He will bang for me. My best friend take a bullet for me, bitch. My best friend will go to prison for me. Don't fuck with my best friend. Don't fuck with me. I'm not going to jail for nobody. I'll put some money on my best friend books. My best friend thug, bitch. Charlie, you not even about that life. You be in your house cooking you some eggs on the motherfucking stove with some and kick your door in. Bitch. Your ass over here tippy-toeing to your motherfucking car with your car keys between your motherfucking fingers in case somebody run up, you could stab them, and you got your mace in the other hand. Jabbing and spraying their ass. You are a scary little bitch. You walk around with motherfucking tampons in your ass while you on live. So you won't be shitting all over the place. You want to talk about Lowe's dick urethra leaking. What about your ass leaking? Your mama didn't care about you, bitch. Your mama ain't gonna get no motherfucking shunts in the back of your head, bitch. You need a shunt installed to get some of that fluid off your brain, bitch. Got a big ass head. You need some of that fluid off that fucking brain. You have a baby bottle for a head. Bitch, your mama didn't mold your head. Your mama didn't mold your head. Her retarded ass was too busy on crack. Your mama and Punky Mama was one of the very first crackheads. I gotta pee. Oh, I gotta pee. Oh, I gotta pee. Oh. Oh, he's trying to lie me. Y'all recharged? I am not coming to lose. We did not come to play. Let me get this faggot.
Why are you talking about me?
Why are you talking about my best friend?
I'm not talking about you.
I said my best friend.
Who is your best friend?
Breon.
Girl, I wasn't even talking about Breon. We talking about Breon's ex.
You was talking about my best friend.
Madam Lowe is your best friend? Okay, that's who I'm talking about, ashy face. Don't believe the comments. I'm not even talking about y'all.
Hey, you don't believe the comments.
Okay, well, they said you was talking about me, so that's why I'm asking.
I was, because they said you was talking about my best friend.
So you believe the fucking comments. You don't believe the comments.
Run the PK up, hello?
Can y'all get me off at 0? But what's T?
What is
like, why you falling
point?
for everything? Why you falling for everything, 21?
Why? Never mind. Charlie, I gotta go finish talking about you, okay?
No, don't talk about me to my face. Don't do it, like, talk about me to my face.
No, I don't want to. I want to go.
Why are you talking about me? See, you want to argue, 21.
I don't need to. See, this is why I can't talk about you on
y'all,
your face.
Ain't no trying to be nice. Ain't no trying to be nice.
Run me up, y'all. Run me up. Run me up. I'm going back to private to talk about him. Run me up. Oh, oh. Okay. Wow.
Y'all, run me up.
Bye.
Bitch, I'm really trying.
Bye. No, run me up.
If my people don't run me up, I'm getting off the line. This is weird, yellow side. This is weird. I'm not about to get on here no more. I'm not about to get on here no more, yellow side. Run me up. This is a whack PK. This is a whack PK. I don't need to be on here. Okay, let me disconnect. Let me disconnect, bitch. Shut up. Have somebody send me on your own time. Bye. Have somebody send that to you on your own time. Why you need to lie to me? Why you need to lie with me? You have a fucking turtleneck on for a USP polo. You got a USPA polo on.
even
bitch,
talking
in your
about you,
house.
bitch.
That's not
Nobody
Ralph
was even
Lauren.
talking
That's
about
not
your
Ralph
ass, bitch.
Lauren.
Shut the fuck
You
up,
got,
hoe.
and it
Shut the
zips
fuck up
up.
over there
It
looking like
zips
an
at the
antelope
top.
in a
That's the
pumpkin
very
face,
first
bitch. You
USP
can't
polo
talk
that
about
came
nobody,
out.
hoe. Look at
That's
your
one of the
fucking
very
braids,
first
bitch.
ones,
Your
bitch. You
braids
high
having
as fuck. It's
motherfucking
130
shock, bitch.
degrees in
You got
Atlanta,
static
bitch.
shock in
It
your
didn't even
fucking
get
braids,
cold
hoe. You got
last night.
alfalfa
Your
braids,
ass
bitch.
woke up and put
They
a
standing
fucking
the fuck
turtleneck
up,
on
bitch. Shut
to
your
hide the
tired
funk
ass up,
inside
hoe.
your
Like I
motherfucking
fucking
body. You
said, you
smell like
ugly
doo-doo
ass, dusty
crust,
ass
bitch.
bitch.
You smell
Bitch,
like doo-doo
bro.
crust chillins and belonging, bitch.
Real
That big
polo.
ass head.
This
Why
shit
your
is,
mama didn't get no shunt and drain that fluid off your head?
bro, shut the
Why your
fuck
mama
up,
didn't get
bitch.
no
You
shunt and
always
drain all
running
that
in the
fluid off
morning,
your
bitch.
head?
You trying to
You
hide
got a
away,
big
run away
ass
from
head,
some
bitch.
shit.
Yeah, you
My
better
life.
mute me, cause you can't eat it up. I'm about to go.
I ain't
My
finna play
side
with this
acting
bitch.
fierce. Y'all don't have no
That's
beans,
what we
yellow
not finna
side.
do, bitch.
Y'all
I ain't
don't have
finna
no
yell.
beans, yellow side. Why do we have to?
I
Why
ain't
do we
finna
have to get
fucking yell.
headphones?
Let me
Why
get
do
the
we have to get
fuck
headphones? I don't have no headphones. Why do you need headphones if I don't have no
Cause I'm
headphones?
not finna
Why do
yell.
you need
Stop
headphones?
fucking
So I'm
yelling.
not.
Yeah, you better
It's
back the
don't
fuck
bro.
up.
It's just don't bro. The fuck you need headphones for, bitch? You better back the fuck up. I'm gonna back up, sweetie, because obviously you can't eat me up on your own, bitch.